Hey there, Alex. How are you? My name is Leo from Morona Marketing. We spoke earlier. I wanted to shoot over a quick video showing some tips and tricks that you can do in-house to help him bring more business using your website and your Google Business Profile. I'd love to hear some feedback about the video. I hope these strategies are helpful and educational for you. Now, Alex, as you see, I've got your website pulled up here. I love that logo. That's a nice logo. And the layout of the website is not bad at all. It's a pretty decent little website. Um, if I had to make a suggestion, it would be to add more content. Google loves content, and they want to see about 1,500 to 2,000 words on your homepage. And throughout that content, you want to add buyer intent keywords that you want to be found for in Google searches, where you're located, and what services you offer. Now, another good thing to do is to save your photos whenever you're uploading your photos or videos. That also counts as content, so you want to make sure that you're adding buyer intent keywords in behind these photos too. So instead of saving it as aluminum 6'1", 600 by 450, it could be fencing companies, Knoxville, Tennessee fence company. Something that tells the service and the location of that service. That's a buyer intent keyword. I would suggest a couple more ways to reach out to your clients up here at the top. More ways to convert up here at the top of your page. Some people like to call. But there's some people that have a fear of calling or talking on the phone. So having a chat box or a form submit or an email for them to contact you would be great to have up here as well. Now, what I've done is put your website in a tool I use called Ahrefs, and it's going to give me your analytics and where you're setting. Now, this is your UR and this is your DR. Pretty good right here. This is your strength that your website has with the Google Analytics, and this is the trust. So you want to keep these numbers balanced and continuously moving up, and this is out of 100. Now you got 404 backlinks and 94 referring domains. So implementing these tips is going to help boost these numbers here. So if you're unfamiliar, a backlink is simply one website linking to another website via a clickable button or text. Not all backlinks are created equal. Some are more spammy, and then some are more authoritative. So you definitely want to go out to those authoritative backlinks that's relevant to you and your industry, and that's local to you. Now, as you see here, you've got 215 organic keywords. It's bringing 407 people to your website each month. That's really good. So increasing that number would help out even more. You've got a few really good keywords in here: fence company, Knoxville, Tennessee, fence companies, fencing company, Knoxville fence companies. So out of these words right here, you're ranking pretty decent on these. You could add some backlinks on there and then go ahead for that final push to go ahead and get you pushed to the top of the Google Maps and the top of the organics as well. Now, what I've done was typed in Knoxville Fence Company. That's a buyer intent keyword. That is the service and the city. At the top here is normally the ads or Google ads, and you see those up here. Those are really good ways to get quick calls, but once you stop paying, you're gone off that front page. So that's how important it is to rank organically, and to rank organically in your maps here. Now down here is your map pack. This always shows top 3, and you're not in these top 3 right now, and that's just fine because there's ways to get there. You want to make sure you are constantly adding reviews. Make sure that your business name, address, and phone number is the exact same all across the internet, because you definitely don't want to mislead Google. There's also a 750 character About Us section at the bottom that you want to fill out, and don't forget to add keywords in that as well. By posting branded, geotagged, or geolocated photos weekly helps you rank organically as well. And that's like I showed you, that photo was saved with all those numbers instead of with a buyer intent keyword. Now, also adding citations, which is your business name, address, and phone number, in directories like Yellow Pages, White Pages, Yext, Yelp. Directories like that because honestly, Google's like a big popularity contest, and by giving out your information to as many directories as possible, it will make Google start to trust you more, and it will boost your business not only in your area but the surrounding areas as well. Now, being on that Google Map Pack is going to give you about 30 to 40% of traffic that goes to your website and gives you a call from there. Now, if you go down here to the Google Organics, this is where you're going to get about 60 to 70% of your business down here. And this is why it's more important to have an optimized website. So you're on this first page up here for your, right here for your business, because you're going to drive more clients to your website. As you see, what was it, 400 a month. So being on that first page is very important, as you see. 407. So you're doing really, really good here. So by implementing these changes, it's going to push you up to the top. Just to show you here, this is one of the top people in your area, one of the top competitors, and they just don't. They're just lacking content. So as you see, there's no content here. So by implementing having more content on your site than theirs, you can outrank them while adding backlinks and such too. Now the rest of the keywords right here, and you have a good majority of these, but there's even more. Fence installation, Knoxville, Tennessee, visible fence. If you do those for the pets, even down here to the champion. Yeah, you're doing pretty good, honestly. One of the better websites that I've seen. So you just need to continue working on your citations and implement more content on that website and get that website more optimized, and it puts you up to that #1 spot on the Google Maps and also on the organics. Alex, it was awesome speaking with you today on the phone. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'd love some feedback from it. If you need any help, comments, questions, concerns, feel free to reach out to me because I can be that resource for you. Alex, I hope you enjoy the video and you have a great day.